Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communication, like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that we'll use in your professional work. And overall, the goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that are important for the 21st century work environment. Well, when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page that you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left navigation column here, especially if this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements and modules and discussions. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. So let's take a look at the modules page for just a minute. On this page at the very top is the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you'll see that the assignments are separated by modules here in the left column, and then their due dates are in the middle column, and the points that are available for each of those assignments are on the right column here. For example, in Module 1, you start with an introduction discussion. The initial posts are due on January 15th, which is a Thursday, and then replies are required to be completed by January 18th, which is a Sunday. The 1.3 credibility is another discussion assignment, also due on the 18th. Replies are due on the 18th, and then the initial posts are due on the 15th. So please check your course schedule for due dates, for these may change throughout the semester according to the academic calendar. That's especially true at midterm and the end of the semester. There are several Connect assignments for some of these modules, and I'll have more to say about those in just a minute, but this is typically what the course schedule looks like. Pay special attention to the due dates. To see feedback for the assignments, you can go into your grades link, and you'll see here in the left side, these are the assignments, these are the due dates, these are the points that are available. And when those assignments are graded, then you'll see points applied and any comment links to any comments that I might have made about those assignments. And you will get feedback for every assignment, uh, including your discussion assignments. Ozarks Tech policy requires at least one proctored event for each course. And if you go back to modules, scroll down, you'll see that our proctored event is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. And if you're not familiar with proctoring, scroll up to proctoring requirements. You can open that link and it explains how to complete a proctored event. To access any of the Connect assignments and the quizzes that you see here in some of the modules like this one, Module 2, 2.4 Connect quiz, just click on the link. And this will, if this is your first time to use Connect, you might be prompted to open an account or set up an account. And if you are, please use your OTC email address, your Ozarks Tech email address, to set up your Connect account. And that way, any class that you have Connect assignments, you can use that account. Well, if you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via Ozarks Tech email. That's MOFFITTC at otc.edu. And please use your Ozarks Tech email address for any messages that you might send. The filters are set up so that Ozarks Tech email is often the only messages that gets through. And if you use some other email program, then I might not see your message. Online office hours are available by request or by just let me know when you'd like to meet, and we'll get together using office hours link using Teams or by phone. And that link you'll see is at the bottom of the home page right here. You can use that link if we're going to meet using Teams, or if not, then we can just meet using phone by a phone call. Okay, well, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.